CubeRuleSet is a function that replaces the existing rule of a cube with a new one, or it creates a new rule if one does not exist. It's commonly used in advanced scripting and automation where generating or deploying rules dynamically is necessary. The function requires two parameters. Cube name is the name of the cube you want to update. Rule string is a string that contains the full set of rules you want to apply to that cube. Writing the rule in the process requires member references to be enclosed in two single quotes. This function is for TurboIntegrator. The first demo will be a simple rule written in the process for the profits and loss cube. Note the two single quotes around references. The second demo will duplicate the rule from the general ledger cube by using CubeRuleGet to retrieve the string and CubeRuleSet to replace the existing profits and loss cube rule.